In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome tab colors without using an extension. Google Chrome provides a built-in feature that allows you to personalize your browsing experience with just a few clicks. So let's dive in and see how you can make Chrome truly yours with your favorite colors. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once there, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll spot the Customize Chrome icon. This icon is your gateway to a world of personalization. Go ahead and click on it to get started. After clicking, a sidebar will appear on your screen. This is where things start to get exciting. Look for the section labeled Appearance, or sometimes referred to as Color. This section is designed specifically to help you adjust the look and feel of your browser. So, navigate there to continue your customization journey. Now that you're in the right place, you have a few different options. If you're looking for something quick and easy, you can select from one of the available themes or pre-selected colors that Chrome offers. These options have been crafted to give your browser a fresh look instantly. Alternatively, for those who want something a bit more personal or unique, you can click the Color Picker tool. This tool allows you to choose a custom color, offering you complete control over the exact shade that appears on your tabs. But wait, there's more. If you're the sort who loves visual variety, you have the opportunity to upload an image for your new tab page. This way, every time you open a new tab, you'll be greeted by a picture that you love, adding a personal touch to your browsing experience. For those who can't get enough of themes, Google Chrome provides even more options. By clicking Change Theme within this sidebar, you can explore an extensive gallery of themes provided by Google. Or, if you're in the mood to browse further, simply head over to the Chrome Web Store. There, you'll find a plethora of themes created by developers from around the world, offering you endless options to customize your browser exactly the way you like it. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your browsing experience with personalized colors and themes, all without the need for additional extensions. This feature is not only convenient, but allows for a great deal of flexibility, giving you the power to switch up your browser's appearance as often as you'd like. So go ahead, experiment with different colors, themes, and backgrounds, and make your Chrome experience uniquely yours. That's all for today. Happy customizing.